Now let's do the installation. zCover dock can convert both iPhone cable and iPod cable into an iPhone dock. On the box, you can see as well, it's mentioned two cables, both of them. This for iPod, this for iPhone. You can use either of them. So let's start from iPhone cable. Open the dock, take the connector out. There are two similar looking connectors. Inside, there's a letter say A, and this one says B. B is for the iPod. A is for the iPhone. Let's start from here. Hold the iPhone cable. Make this logo facing out. You're looking at the white face. There's the logo facing out. Hold this adapter with opening facing you. Put it in. Slide it down. So become a one piece. Take the base. Turn a connector. Put the cord into it. Slide into this angle slot. Make sure you have the logo facing you or facing out. Turn it up. Make the Z shape for zCover to lock this cord and the connector. Make this a Z shape. Remember the logo facing out. Now you don't need B for now, but you can use it as locker to lock the cord. Put it on the table. Cover with a podium. Now you have the pod connector. Take your iPhone. Slide it in. Dock. It works.